Hi everyone, this is William speaking. Welcome to One Backend Solution. Here is the second video for customer education. It is about software, including how to operate a packing machine. So we did give the power supply with a ground wire, and now we switch on the machine and lose the emergency button. So we are also need to waiting for the temperature kind up. Right now is the temperature setting. So this one need to climb up. And if you want to modify, just get set. And here showing 5p and climb a little bit up. According to your material. Like practice field is stronger or have more finish, you give more temperature. Also the speed is going faster. The idea of the logic is more temperature. Okay, now we switch on the rear. We did also connect full automatic. This is the power supply. This is the signal. Lose the emergency, that will be switched on. And we go to the, here you have another switch. You already put it on, they have power, and make it auto mode and lose the emergency button. Maybe one night, okay, including the vibration did here. So you'll be shaking. We feel the material, and we go back to open the final conveyor. Now the complete set is connected and switch on. It's not ready yet because if it's zero, like empty, see smoothing, empty all the hopper. It will take a little bit time, but meanwhile the temperature is should be okay, kind up enough. Right now it's showing 0%. You see that? That means it's okay, it's full empty. We didn't input the password. Now we go to the 1 and make it green. Now everything is on. Waiting for the request signal. Request signal is given by the packing machine. Okay. You see the performance tube. Then the pull field rappel is not yet closed. So this is the button to be closed. Right now everything is okay, and I suggest you make an empty bag first. It's continuing, make empty bag. So you look at the sealing, the end sealing on top, look clear and perfect. Downstairs is okay, and the temperature of the day printer is not yet enough. Okay, so you cannot see very clear. See, should be right now is off, should be on again, and then make temperature to switch on, make the temperature to 150, and it's still blinking. So wait for it. Meanwhile, I teach you a little bit small thing. It is about that's the letter. See that it can be put the day or some capital letter inside, and then when it has enough temperature, you'll be pumped by this air pump according to the color bells to the practice field. So Let's start the machine first. Right now we are setting the packing machine speed on 1330, okay, and we also have to check the speed of the wear. Right now we are setting on 13.5. So the logic is you should give more speed setting on the wear, like a 5 more package larger than the packing machine, because the wear is always the number one who give products dropping into the back former and the main machine. Now we use the automatic mode to fill pack, so you can see what happened. It's dropping product inside. And the weigher is also working. Okay. So that's the product you get. You hear the noise. The noise comes from the air tank and the air compressor. Looks good. So after it's cooled down, you can just try to check if it is strong enough. Looks good. Okay, we did talk about some logics about the speed should be larger, and talk about the temperature, including the day printers. Now we are talking about something that we should be normally setting, like this is the semi-auto, a little bit noisy here. This is the grandma's program. 1 2 3 1 2 3 6 times, and then go back again. So that's the thing we can setting, and we have a channel 2 3. So remember one thing, no matter what you set, you should press the save. Let's say the normal thing we should set is the backland, right? We make it to 0 and then save, so you can have a longer bed. Go auto, make an empty bag. Normally we can check the second package. This is the first. Okay, I don't know if you can see very well, but that's the package different. Right now we get longer, and it should be like a 3 cm. So that's the first function. You just remember the main machine is controlling the package only. The weigher is controlling the material dropping. Okay, we go back. Okay, and here is setting your speed. We're trying to make it 20. That means slower and safe. Go back to the autos. Feel. Try to that is slow by more slow. Okay, that's the two normal function you need to know. Oh right, after setting that 20 package, this one 35 you can lower to you should insert. Okay, you can make the speed lower. 20, right? You can make it 25. That's the logic. Faster. Weigher is always faster. But this one you don't need to set save. It is automatic. And the channel is here. Right now 17.7, and you can make it 78. that's changing, and you should also give a lay like it. That's the other material or other products, and then you can go back right now. Okay, and let's see if something you need to know more. Next page. This is the time and the delay, like closing the sealer, how many minutes, centiminute. And this is the function of one time seal or two time or drop first, but I'm not going to show everything in the same videos. So let's just focus on bed length change and the speed change that normally need to use. And we have like another 5 minutes to talking about the various setting. Normally, if you change the material, if the material is heavier, you give them stronger vibration of the mate. That vibration did is the circle one in the middle of the top. And you make it stronger, like each time you can set 10. Like right now 14.5, you can make it like 15.5. If that's too much, you lower it down per 5. So sorry, that's it. And this is the land straight one. I cannot show you very well because I'm not that high enough. Heavier or sticky or wet products or bigger size, you can give it more, 16 or something. Right now it's already set. Let's go back to 45. And this is the time of the made vibration and the time of the land vibration. So you can give it more time, one movement of the vibration. You can have 15.5 ms, maybe more. The same idea here. So that's the 1, 2, 3, 4 about vibrating. You have to set normally according to what products you have. So spend some time to talk about the logage. Lodges. First thing is you should make top vibration, or you can make the material. That's the material. Feel enough on the top. Right now it's not full yet. Okay, should be full all the time. So it's like the material is always full of the center. So it is running more stable. Okay, right now the material is not enough. The pressure between material is not correct, and the main vibration beats can be much more stronger than the light vibration beat. And the product should be dropped like slower, better than 1 or 2 pieces. That will be stable. Okay. If it is not stable, just keep the products. If the vibration dropping like this is not strong enough, make it faster. While I was jumping faster, or the speed can be faster. Okay, go to check. Careful. See that? It's full cover. That's better. You should have a ladder if you don't have a spot payphone like that one. You cannot tie up easily, but a ladder will be easy to fall down. Just be careful. Okay, you're setting about the material. You can also set how many grams. That's normally like right now we are setting 15. By 0, you can make it 16. Okay, that will be much more material inside. Or we try lower, because if you set, let's say we just set 15, right? we make it 100. That means double. But if you make it double, the back is not long enough to fulfill. That means you should set the back length that I told you. Here, okay? Maybe set it on 300. But I'm not going to do that right now. I prefer to set the weight smaller. So that video won't be too long to. That's it. And then we one full automatic. One out on. Close it, the red bell, and fill package. It is slow, but just try to let you know the movement of the rear. Fulfill horizontal seal and vertical seal and cutters. Okay. Let's go. That's the A printer. Okay. That's the job view motors and the job view sensor. That's the vibration pan of the set conveyor. That's the top. Stop and start. Okay. So in this video we talk about the operation normally that you need. It's not bad, right? Even it's slow, but still have good show. There's some function that you need to know, but I'm not going to show in one video. Like how to carry the fuel, how to change the fuel, how to change the backformers, and how to use the 2-time dropping function, 2-time back, and how to make a perfect back in a balanced way. So call me if you need more things, or I will send you more videos later. So that's it for the part 2 software and operation. The next one we will talk about some hardware. Okay. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.